Hello and welcome to Cooking with Mikayla. Today we're going to be cooking pancakes. Not multi, by the way. Just saying. So we're going to be cooking some pancakes. Pancakes. First, you're going to need an oven. Probably already have this. That. A stove or something. Hopefully that doesn't fall. Where's the pancake?
Mom, where's the pancake batter? The powder stuff? Okay.
Okay. I didn't need any of that. Got some biscuit. Don't have the separated part, sadly. So you're gonna need a pan. You're gonna need a big fat pan. Well, that just gets really dark and I come in. It's like, whoa, brightness. Okay, get your pan. Get your beautiful fat pan of doom. Oops. Got a pan. Big fat chunky pan. Sit on the stove.
Did I say it to 2 or 3? Mom, last question. Did I say it to 2 or 3?
I didn't need any help there either. Yeah, so, sadly, Roboblox shut off, which I was playing on my tablet on there. So, I'm like, because I was playing with some friends, and they were talking, I was talking, I think that was because shutting down, and so I have to wait an hour. Good thing, is we can dun. Okay, so, set the 3, wait a couple hours. Don't do that, you'll burn your house down. Wait till it's hot. And then put the butter on. Wait for this quick. Then put the butter on. Then put the butter on. Dance. Be right back after this commercial. You tired of something? Be awesome. Just say hi, and then you'll be awesome. Unless you're from like a different country, then say something else like hola or how do you say hello in Chinese? Something. What's that? There's a head sticking over there. Don't know if you can see this. Ooh. Jumping contest! Junior Scholar! It's warming and it's not warming quick enough. So while we're doing this, just wait. We have to wait an hour. Yay! So let's find something. What are you doing? And that was awkward. Probably waited like 10 hours. What the heck is this device? Shadow. I have no idea. Holy crap. Ow! Man, I have magic powers, by the way. I have magic powers, by the way. That's why I'm so awesome. Now, we're bored. So we're gonna be like, I love you, son. Okay, so since we're super bored, we're gonna put the butter on. You're gonna need your butter. Now you see that? Now you see that thing over there? That's called a fridge. That's where I'm gonna get butter. Your butter should be in your fridge. I hope.
Hey Mom, where's the spray bottle?
Yeah.
Found it.
Yeah, I'm super lazy. We have no butter either. I always love the smell of this. It just smells nice. It's buttered smell. So first off, wait, can you guys see anything? Nope. You guys are gonna need this. You guys can't smell, but it smells delicious. It does smell delicious. And then it's like spread all over there. And Misha is adorable. Yes. Isn't she? I'm like looking at them. Guys, this looks so awkward. Ow. Poked myself in the eye. Biscuits or dumpling? Okay, so let's get making pancakes. Ultimate chicken fingers, wow. One cup of milk, 2 eggs. We need a cup. So I remove this mirror. Yeah, I'm recording with my tablet. Don't fall. Don't fall. Get 1 cup. This is 1 cup. Sit it down right there. Well, it looks awesome. Yeah. Okay. Now these are eggs.
Pancakes? You making pancakes? Shut up. That's cool. Mama. Orange. Black.
That was my brother. So.
Hey Mom, what size bowl do we need? Mom, can I get a small bowl?
My mom's mad. What? That just looks weird. So now, the fun part. summon. You guys can see this? Yeah, it's gonna be like a waterfall for you. This is really annoying, guys. Guys? Oops. Shut up, Tanner. Yay, a yolk. Ugh. That's nasty. BRB. Me too. Ah, this is nasty. Eggs are gross. Now give your delicious milk. Wait, should we? Yeah, we're just gonna add this stuff. Okay. You heard the struggle, probably. Just look at that. Okay, you guys don't see this.
What's actually doing?
Oh,
Taking
it's
video
weird.
for yourself like a stupid pancake. Oh yeah, I'm Tanner, and
He's ugly.
and I love pancakes. Hey, I want some.
No.
Can I destroy some little chickens?
No!
The video can only be 15 minutes long. So.
I know.
Just have like part 1 and part 2.
This is part 1. Bye. Get